Welcome to Deloitte's On Cloud podcast, the show that cuts through the noise to bring you practical insights on cloud, AI, software engineering, and more. Tune in for real-world tech strategies to lead in the age of disruption.
Welcome to this Deloitte On Cloud podcast knowledge shot, where we delve into specific topics related to system engineering, hybrid infrastructure, and cloud computing. I'm Ganesh Sitaraman, Managing Director at Deloitte's Hybrid Cloud and Engineering Practice. Thank you for joining us. Today, we will discuss resiliency engineering, a critical discipline in today's businesses. We will explore the dimensions of resiliency, trends and challenges in the market, and some approaches being employed to mitigate risks and enhance system reliability. In business resiliency context, technology and operational resilience is one of the key fields. It's about what enterprise systems and processes can do, capacity to anticipate, synchronize, respond, and maintain a continuous feedback loop. With that in mind, let's define resiliency engineering. Resiliency engineering is about building systems, processes, and controls that are not only robust and reliable, but also adaptable and responsive to change. Conventional risk management, business continuity, and disaster recovery approaches are often siloed or outdated. They all fall short in enabling organizations to effectively respond to and recover from severe but plausible disruptions in today's changing environment. Resiliency engineering focuses on key capabilities, architecture fitness that includes technology, embedded security and processes within solution architecture, fault tolerance built in, observability to gain visibility, chaos engineering, system reliability and responsiveness, audit and compliance trail, and recovery. By focusing on readiness and response and recovery, companies can significantly enhance their enterprise resilience and system reliability. This engineering approach of adopting game days, scenario planning, and hyper-automation allows businesses to effectively anticipate, prevent, respond to, and protect and recover from disruptions, thereby controlling the radius of any adverse events. What is happening in the market? Why do we say that the era of single instance reliance or deployment is over? Driven by always-on expectations, customer experience being the key main theme, data protection pressures, regulatory changes, and business convergence are all driving organizations to prioritize secure hybrid cloud architectures, particularly for low latency applications and high availability workloads. The key trends that we see in the market include, number one, slow is the new dumb. Poor performance is as harmful as downtime, making user experience a key reliability metric. Two, security and reliability are twin brothers. Integrating security practices within reliability measures is the new norm. Three, misalignment of priorities on reliability. Significant differences in priorities and approaches with enterprise, especially to shift left from on the regular lights on approach, is causing a lot of delay. Four, organizational priorities are under pressure, especially to balance release schedules and to add new features. Five, technology sprawl and debt are costing enterprises. Multiple tools, redundant system softwares increase cost and increase engineering costs. Six, chaos engineering goes mainstream. Thorough testing processes are becoming standard to detect both known nodes and unknown unknowns. Seven, despite AI, toil levels are on the rise. The toil levels hinder or hamper engineers from focusing on more valuable tasks, such as developing new features or improving the reliability of the systems. Now, moving on to how to build a culture of resiliency. Here are a few ideas to think about. Define a clear ownership with a segregation of duties that overlaps between different functions. Standardize tech stack and provide visibility at all levels to build a culture of resiliency within your enterprise. Democratize SRE and operational excellence through platform engineering concepts. Adopt continuous resiliency principles, integrating principles like chaos and observability within the DevOps CI/CD pipeline to manage drift and to manage code hygiene. Put a lot of emphasis on customer experience metrics. Observe user satisfaction, revenue, and retention rates in addition to MTTR and SLO metrics. Empower developer community to own resiliency, adopting shift-left principles. For standard system robustness and commodity issues, minimize human intervention within the process of incident and problem management, building self-healing systems. By adopting all these approaches, scaling these indicate a promising future where resiliency engineering becomes more integrated, automated, and focused on delivering exceptional user experience and brand protection. Thank you for listening to us on Cloud Podcast Knowledge Shop. If you enjoyed this podcast, make sure to like us, rate us, and subscribe. Until next time, best of luck with your journey and be resilient and stay safe.
You've been listening to Deloitte's On Cloud podcast. Share this episode, subscribe, and join the conversation. And tune in next time for more real-world tech insights and strategies. Until then, keep innovating, keep leading.
This podcast is produced by Deloitte. The views and opinions expressed by podcast speakers and guests are solely their own and do not reflect the opinions of Deloitte. This podcast provides general information only and is not intended to constitute advice or services of any kind. For additional information about Deloitte, go to deloitte.com/about.